What up, it's Shay, and today I'm back at it with another video. And today we're gonna do a snatch your waist video by targeting our back muscles. Okay, starting off with lat pull downs. I've seen the most progress with this exercise, and it is so easy to progressive overload. Okay, progressive overload means you're adding more weight every single time. If you're using the same weight every time you work out, you are not building muscle, girl. You are just maintaining. You need to continue to put stress on your muscles, which will build your muscles and go build that back. All right, targeting your lats create that V tapered back and makes your waist appear smaller. So when choosing exercise to build your back, you should really start by choosing a variety of rowing or pulling exercise, because that's what the back muscles do. They pull, duh. The wider your grip is on the bar, the higher up on your back it targets. So I superset my lat pull downs with a narrow grip. This will target my lower back. The narrower your grip, the closer your elbows are to your waist. So this variation works your biceps as well, so you'll feel that little burn. A tip for feeling this a little less in your biceps, if you don't want like big juicy arms, you know, because I feel like my biceps give out before my back does, is to not wrap your thumbs around the bar. Just keep them behind the bar. I usually lower the weight for these and do higher reps. Form wise, you want to adjust the leg cushion until they're pushing down on your thighs comfortably. You're going to sit back, a slight arch in your back, and you're going to lean back, pulling towards your chest. You don't want to pull straight down, but pull at an angle. Next, I want to show you an accessory movement I love to do, the DumbBell Rows. I used to do these so wrong and I wouldn't feel it in my back. I just felt it like all up in my arms, you know? So Omar Yusuf, a powerlifter I watch, as well as Alan Thrall, gives the tip of not pulling with your arms, but pulling up with your elbows. So imagine you're pulling your elbows up towards the ceiling in a swinging motion. They also discuss what is called a cheat rep, which is using momentum to assist lifting the dumbbell up initially, but controlling the negative. So you can literally do these anywhere. You can bend over. Just don't be the asshole doing these off the rack, okay? Other people need weights too, and you're blocking everybody. Anyone else notice that they could lift more with lat pull downs than with seated rows? Like, it can't be only me, you know? I'm guessing it's because of gravity, but like for the longest time, I couldn't get above lightweight with this exercise. So I switch the attachments every few sets. I'll do like a wide grip pull down, then switch to a narrow grip. So seated rows are really important because I feel like it targets your lower back a lot more. Make sure you're not swinging with the weight. Keep your back straight, lean forward when you're lowering the weight, and then pull back up using your lats. Keep your elbows tucked towards your sides to target the lower back, and increase your grip width to target more of your upper back or traps. So near the end, I like to do some isolation accessory movements to help fix my muscle imbalance and make sure like my lats are always like really just tired out. So one side of my body is stronger than the other, which is perfectly natural. I lower the weight and I do higher reps. It's like making sure to keep my elbows tucked to the side and twisting my wrist as I pull backwards. Another staple I do is back extensions. So I was so afraid of using this machine because it's right in the middle in the open, like where everyone could see me, but this kills me every time. Okay, I swear, watch this video and it just takes me out. Just look at my face. So I put my hands behind my back to isolate my back a little bit more. I come down until I'm a little less than 90 degrees and then come back up slowly until my spine is straight. You don't want to hyperextend your back, which is coming up too far and giving your back like that bending backwards. This will cause a lot of pain. So I always do these with body weight first, just to get used to the movement and make sure I'm feeling it in my back. I tend to feel this a lot in my hamstrings, so I gotta get that mind to muscle connection right, you know what I'm saying? Then I do these weighted. I feel these more when the weight is closer to my body rather than hovering down in front of me. So I just wrap my arms around the weight like I'm giving it like a big hug, and that does the trick, you know, like trust me, I've experienced a lot. I have bruises all over my arms trying to figure out how to do this right. So that's it for the Hourglass back workout. Comment down below what type of videos you want to see. Subscribe and like to show your support. And if this video was even slightly bit entertaining, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.